Tesla stock on 27 November. Let's start with easy steps. So if you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe for more actual price predictions. And let's start. So what we want to mention here is going to be such another stocks that we wanted to have in our mind, and according to what we see, the price that we have to explain is going to be about on Tesla stock is having this part, and this part has a relationship. So the relationship could be between this level and this level. So if we notice it clearly, it hasn't completed its 0.1 Fibonacci level, and we see that maybe this cannot be related here. If it's going to be related here, so it's completed. If it's going to be making a relation here, but I think this relation should be here, so I think it's still not completed. It has about to decrease one again of that trend line and then increase, and that's what I think about Tesla stock. To wait until maybe if you have some stocks you have to sell, and then started to invest on this level, and that's what I can think about the price prediction news today.